Use the sorted edges algorithm. Select the edges you should use. You should draw the graph on your own paper so you can mark the used edges as you go. That's a really good idea. You should just pause the video right now and then draw this vertex edge graph. Once you have it drawn and labeled, go ahead and continue the video. Okay, so now that you've drawn your own graph, I'm going to go ahead and list all the edges from shortest to longest. Now the shortest edge looks like it's 400, so that's CD. I'm just going to underline that I've used that one. The next one looks like it's 430, which is BE. And then after that, AE, which is 450. And then next is DE 475. And then the next one looks like it's AC 510. And then after that is BD 525. And then AB 550. And then BE 670. And then CE 675. And then finally BC, which is 700. Okay, so now we're going to apply the algorithm. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with the shortest edge, which in this case is CD 400. Put a little mark because we used that one. And then we're going to apply the algorithm. So basically keep two things in mind. You don't choose an edge that makes three edges meet at a vertex. And also never close up the circuit until it includes each vertex. So we're going to keep choosing edges and just keep those two things in mind. So the next shortest edge is BE 430, and that doesn't violate any of the rules that we're thinking about. So we can go ahead and select that one, put a mark there. Next shortest is AE. We can use that one. Next is DE at 475. Now we can't use that one because it would make three edges going to vertex E, so that one's out. How about AC 510? We can use that one. And then BD 525. We can use that one. And see, that one actually closes the circuit. Put a mark there. So this is the circuit that you get by applying the sorted edges algorithm to this graph. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all the edges that we used. See, we used CD, we used BE, we used AE, we used AC, and we used BD. And I'll just count all the edges real quick to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that's what we have, 5 selected. Okay, so that is how you apply the sorted edges algorithm.